Hi guys, today I'm doing a test of the FS200 Canon camcorder. It's not mine, but I'm getting to give it a test drive, so I'm going to put it through its paces and we will see how it performs. It's quite a cheap camcorder, relatively speaking, between £200 and £300. I'm thinking that's going to be a $300 to $350 kind of price range, and it's not high def, but I'm told the optics on it are quite good, so for YouTube etc it might be just the thingy. Okay, this is mixed light test. This is the box the camera came in, which gives you a chance to see what the camera actually looks like. We've got fluorescent lighting and tungsten lighting in this room, plus some daylight coming in, and it seems to be handling that quite well. Mixed light's obviously always a difficult thing for a camera, but it seems to be doing pretty well. I'll see when I get the video uploaded to the PC whether this is actually any good or not, but yeah, I'm going to go outside in a minute. It's quite windy today, so we'll get to see how the wind noise reduction works and whether that handles that okay. Okay, it's very windy today, so if there's a lot of noise, that's why. This is a quick test of panning about to see if we get any tearing and how well it handles the motion of panning. It's November and I'm not quite sure if we're meant to be getting hydrangeas flowering. Maybe that's global warming. But here's a little test of a close-up on a hydrangea. No, it's not a hydrangea, it's a geranium, but never mind. That's the important test, is how well it picks up on close-ups. And again, through the view screen it looks like it's doing quite a good job. Okay, just seeing how well it picks up the texture of these bricks. Of course, textures are sometimes a problem on cheaper camcorders, so we will see how that comes out. And maybe also I've got the room propped up here. Texture of the, what's that gonna come out like? I think that's not looking bad. Okay, finally a zoom test. I haven't got anything really decent to zoom in on, but there's a bird bath down here, so I'm going to have a little try at that. No birds, unfortunately, but we will see how well that zoom works. Obviously, as with all camcorders, the more zoom you get, the more shake you get. And although this camera has electronic stabilisation, it hasn't got optical stabilisation, so you're going to get a little bit of shake with zoom. I'm going to zoom right in there. And see what we can get. I think to use that level of zoom, especially on a windy day like today, you're going to need a tripod. Nevertheless, not bad, quite impressive. So that is my test drive of the Canon FS200 camcorder. Back to normal programming soon, and yeah, I'll let you know in the information to this video whether or not I recommend it.
We're gonna party till the police come. Party!